quick egg sandwich recipe. Hello, culinary students. Today, we will learn how to craft a savory and quick egg sandwich. This sandwich is a nutritious and tasty option for breakfast or lunch. Let's start crafting. Ingredients: 2 slices of bread, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 lettuce leaf, 1 slice of tomato, salt and pepper to taste, butter for spreading. Instructions: 1. Start by toasting the bread slices until they are golden brown. 2. In a pan, cook the egg over medium heat to your liking. 3. Spread mayonnaise on one side of each toasted bread slice. 4. Place the lettuce leaf and tomato slice on one of the bread slices. 5. Place the cooked egg on top of the tomato. 6. Season the egg with salt and pepper. 7. Top with the other bread slice, mayonnaise side down. 8. Enjoy your savory and quick egg sandwich.